Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in an Epson Stylus Photo RX620. Now this can be done directly from the printer using nothing but the control panel shown here. Now what you're going to need to do is be in the setup menu, shown here with a little screwdriver on the left hand side. If you're on a different menu, just press this button over here to be taken to this menu. Now, to get us going, we're going to press down a few times until we get to the option at the bottom of this first page, ink cartridge. And with that selected, we press OK. We press OK again to proceed. Now your printer will get the ink cartridge cradle into the correct position. First of all, we need to lift the printer's scan bed, which is underneath the actual scanner here. As you can see, there are recesses on either side, so just get fingers in there and lift until he comes up. Now as we get a little closer, you'll see the ink cartridge cradle has slid over into the replacement position. You can tell if it's in the correct position because it'll be in this slight recess here, and it'll have markings for all the different colours at the back. To get to the cartridges, just pull down on this bit at the back here, and lift this forwards, fully exposing the cartridges, which you can see there. Now I'm going to be replacing the yellow cartridge today, over here. The first thing we're going to do is remove him. So you hold down at the back, there's like a little clip, press that down, you should hear it release, and you can lift the cartridge out. And take your replacement cartridge. Now it's important to remove any protective packaging that might be on there. Occasionally there'll be like a little wedge in here which will stop that pressing down. Otherwise we just need to pull off any pull tabs we have, which pretty much all cartridges have, whether they're original, remanufactured, compatible, whatever. So with that done, we don't need to worry about the film at the bottom. That is pierced automatically by the printer as it goes in. So we pop the cartridge in. I'm going to put the front down first and then press down. Make sure it's all the way in. If it's sitting flush with the rest of the cartridges, confident it's there. There was no like click or anything from this particular one, but it depends upon the brand. With that in place, I'm going to close up this and then lower the scanner bed. Now with that all the way back down again, we press OK on the control panel, and we're done. Now your printer will take a quick look at the cartridges, make sure it's happy with them. And this ink charging that it's doing is just pulling fresh ink into the printer's print head, making sure that ink is where it needs to be, so that you can carry on printing. If your printer has a problem recognizing any of the cartridges, you might get a prompt, have to go through it again, or at very worst, try another cartridge. My printer's accepted our lovely cartridge, so I'm going to press OK, and I'm done. Now, I hope you found this useful. If you have, please do let us know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know down in the comments. We've got lots of other videos for this printer on our channel, so you might want to check those out as well. But thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.